Change happens when there is a vision. Change happens where there is an intention. Change happens when you have a mission. At Konkan Railway, we are bringing a change to add more quality to your life and travel experience. Yes, Konkan Railway has accomplished the mission 100% electrification under the able leadership of Honorable Prime Minister and the guidance of Honorable Minister of Railways. We are now successfully marching ahead towards a net zero carbon emission plan of Indian Railways. The Ministry of Railways approved electrification of the entire Konkan Railway route of 741 kilometers with 970 kilometers track length. The total project cost of Rs 1,287 crore. This change will bring significant savings in fuel expenditure, along with seamless operation on electric traction on the west coast, thus giving us a pollution-free mode of transportation. Your trust and our combined passion is a commitment to build a better nation. Konkan Railway, we serve.